Good morning everyone. I am Patan Shahs. Today's topic about the sources of the adverse events reporting. In the adverse drugs reporting, any onward medical documentations occurrence in a participations taking the parts in the healthcare research in which the dose do not the necessary have a causal relationship with the research. There are some serious adverse events. There are some points involving in the adverse drugs event. First points, it is a result in the death. Then it is a life threatening. Third, it is required the hospitalizations or the prolongations of the exiting the hospitalizations consist of a conjunctious abnormal or the birth defects. There are some purpose of the adverse events. The purpose of the adverse drugs events, it is to provide the necessary definitions, policies, principles and the guidelines to prevent the involving in the reportings and the managing the adverse drug reactions or the relating to the non-investigational medical product. The SOP has written in the accordance with the international conference or the harmonizations, good clinical practices, medicines or the human use regulations 2004, including the argument is the 2016. The events may be the beginning to the reporting for the to be the reporting for. There are there are some responsible for the persons. The investigations or the study persons is responsible for the reporting the details of all the adverse drugs events that occur by the completing the study. Specific adverse drug reactions form within the specific time for the individual study procedures. The CHIPS principles investigations is the required for the reviewing the adverse reactions for the seriousness, causality, and the expectations, classifying the adverse drugs reactions related to the unexpected and the signing of the adverse drugs reactions form, reviewing and the signing a report of the adverse drug reactions form. The clinical trials managements group the studies of the responsible for some trials. It is the responsible for the study. First, it is the discussing of the adverse drug reactions that have been the received in the between trial management groups meetings. Second, it is the when the require giving the consumers to a adverse drugs reactions classifications of the at least two or the three members reply and the agreed. The trials management research association follow who will be the designated within the safety data managements and the informations. They are it is the responsible for the sometimes typing and the verifications of the adverse drugs reactions. There are the somehow common they are there are some common they studies conducted in the North America, Britain, European and the Australia and the New Zealands. It is the down the percentages adverse events occurring the hospital in the between the 3 to the 17 with the average of the 10%. Most medical errors are the related to the system problems, not individuals. Not even individual for the conducted and are the preventable. 50 years events or every two adverse events can be the prevented. Adverse events is the Canadian hospitals because it is the northern field. In this there are the incidence rates of the 7.5 to the hospital 200 people. in their study conduct in the North America, Britain, European, Australia, and the New Zealand, and it is shows the percentages of the adverse events in the occurring the hospitalizations is between the 3 to the 17 average of the 10%. Thank you.